Solid waste management is a critical issue in Philippines, with increasing volumes of waste posing environmental challenges. This waste includes garbage, construction debris, and industrial and agricultural materials. Among agricultural waste, coconut husks are notably underutilized despite the global production of over 62 million tons of coconuts annually. A significant portion of coconut husk, especially core, goes unused and causes environmental issues. Although some husks are burned or turned into charcoal, many are simply discarded instead of being processed into valuable products. This is the official logo of CNC Bricks, branded as Albricks and established in 2025. The logo features a stylish brick pattern symbolizing strength and sustainability with the tagline, "Don't panic, it's Bricks," highlighting its organic composition from coconut and cassava. The design reflects the brand's eco-friendly identity and commitment to green construction solutions. Our company's vision. Our vision is to lead sustainable construction by creating innovative, eco-friendly building materials from agricultural waste. We focus on developing high-performance bricks using coconut husk and cassava starch as green alternatives to traditional bricks, offering improved durability and reduced environmental impact. By utilizing renewable resources, we aim to support a circular economy and lessen reliance on non-renewable materials. Our initiative highlights the strong mechanical properties of these bricks, promoting their use in structural applications and encouraging environmentally responsible practices in the construction industry. Our company's mission. Albricks is revolutionizing sustainable construction with eco-friendly bricks made from coconut husk and cassava starch, providing a strong, affordable alternative to conventional materials. By converting agricultural waste into high-performance bricks, we promote environmental responsibility and resilient building. Our goal is to inspire a future where sustainability and design unite to build a better world. Our company goals. Our goal is to revolutionize sustainable construction by creating eco-friendly coconut husk bricks that reduce agricultural waste and carbon emissions. We aim to promote green building practices, empower communities, and support a cleaner, more sustainable future through innovation and responsible resource use. Our company's objectives. Our objectives are to develop high-quality, eco-friendly coconut husk bricks as a sustainable alternative to traditional bricks, and to build strong brand recognition for sustainability, durability, and innovation within the first year. We also aim to reduce landfill waste by recycling coconut husk, promoting the responsible use of agricultural byproducts. Our company values. We are committed to continuous improvement in delivering high-performance, eco-friendly construction materials. Our operations are guided by transparency, integrity, and respect for all stakeholders, with a strong focus on product consistency, durability, and customer satisfaction.
So next is critical success factors and strategic approach. Critical success factors in the development of eco-friendly bricks made from coconut husk and cassava starch. So first, material selection is essential. We must source high-quality coconut husk and cassava starch while ensuring strict quality control to maintain consistent mechanical properties in the bricks. Next, binder optimization plays a key role. We need to identify the right proportion of cassava starch to maximize the brick's strength and durability while minimizing water absorption. Third, testing and evaluation are crucial. We follow standardized methods such as ASTM or ISO to measure properties like compressive strength, fire resistance, and water absorption to ensure real-world performance. And lastly, sustainability assessment is carried out using life cycle analysis tools. This helps us evaluate the environmental impact from raw material extraction to brick disposal, ensuring our process truly supports eco-friendly principles. And next is strategic approach. To successfully launch eco-friendly coconut husk bricks bound with cassava starch, we start by targeting key markets such as sustainable housing projects, green builders, and rural communities with coconut resources. Product development must prioritize both sustainability and performance, ensuring strength, fire resistance, and biodegradability. Strong partnerships with raw material suppliers and strict quality control are essential to maintain product standards. Building a recognizable, eco-conscious brand and promoting it through digital platforms, events, and educational content will drive awareness. A multi-channel distribution strategy, including direct sales, retail partnerships, and e-commerce, will maximize market reach. And lastly, ongoing product improvement based on user feedback and market trends will keep the product competitive and aligned with industry needs.
So for the business model, first is the customer segments. Landscapers are a key target market for coconut husk bricks due to their demand for sustainable, durable, and aesthetically pleasing materials. These professionals value the natural appeal, water absorption, and pest resistance of coconut husk bricks, making them ideal for application like pathways, garden borders, and patios. The bricks also supports environmentally responsible practices, aligning with the growing trend of green landscaping. Second is the value proposition. The business offers eco-friendly construction materials by transforming coconut husk into durable bricks. These bricks provide superior insulation, reducing energy costs for users. By promoting green building practices, the company addresses environmental concerns and meets the increasing demand for sustainable products. Additionally, the initiative supports local farmers and communities, contributing to economic growth. With affordable pricing and strong product performance, the business aims to lead the market eco-conscious construction materials. The third one is the channels. Coconut husk bricks will be distributed through strategic partnerships with supermarkets and grocery stores, leveraging their wide range to access eco-conscious consumers. These retail channels will highlight the product's sustainability and practicality, supported by targeted promotions and prime shelf replacement. Consistent supply and strong retailer collaboration will ensure ongoing availability and market growth. The fourth one is the customer relationships. Building strong customer relationships is crucial for long-term success. The company aims to provide personalized attention, ensuring that each customer understands the environmental benefits, application, and value of coconut husk bricks. Educational materials, product demonstrations, and on-site consultations will help customers make informed choices. Regular communication through email newsletters, social media, and follow-up calls will keep customers engaged and updated on new products or innovations. Loyalty programs and discounts for repeat buyers, especially for bulk purchases, will encourage customers' retention. Feedback will actively encourage to continuously improve products and services by positioning itself as a trusted, eco-conscious partner. The company aims to build lasting relationships with contractors, landscapers, developers, and environmentally responsible organizations.
So for revenue stream, so our business generate income from the identified customer segment of landscaper by employing several strategic approaches. We have five. So we first we have direct sales of coconut husk bricks, bulk and wholesale pricing, customized product of offerings, subscription and regular supply plans, and also the partnership with landscaping suppliers. So from the identified revenue streams, specifically describe the what and how are the customers willing to pay for. So we have also the versatility and convenience, the durability and quality, the portability and design, and the after sales support and warranty. So by determining the revenue strategies and which revenue source to prioritize, so we have also the direct sales to individual customers, the bulk sales and construction companies and landscaping business, installment payment plans and value added services and customization, and last the subscription and repeat purchase programs. Next is the key resources. So to successfully start and operate the coconut husk based business, the following key resources are essential. So first, the raw materials. The second, the production equipment and facilities. The third will be the skilled labor and workforce. the financial capital, the distribution channels, and lastly the technology and IT systems. So for the key activities, describe what are the actions for to business and must perform to operate and offer the value proposition. So we have the product development, the raw material sourcing, manufacturing and processing, quality control, marketing and sales, distribution, customer support, and education. So among these key activities, what is the best crucial? What is the most crucial? So competitive advantage, customer satisfaction, the market differentiation, the brand reputation, and the revenue growth. So for key partners, who or what are your specific key partners as an entity or business who needs to rely on? So on the coconut husk bricks, business relies on several key partners to function effectively. So this includes the local coconut farmers and copra producers who supply the raw coconut husk. So the second, we have that describes the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. So our business model is built around a strong and interconnected network of suppliers and partners. So what are the possible arrangements that are sustainable and mutually beneficial for both parties on over the long run? So to build long-term sustainable relationships, we aim to establish fair trade agreements and long-term supply contracts with our coconut farmers. For cost and structure, what are the expenses the business incur? So operational expenses, we have the cost of goods and sold, or of course the what we call the COGS. We have also the employee expenses and interest expenses, also research and development, and also the advertising expenses. So what are the most vital cost of the business? Of raw materials, labor cost, rent, utilities, equipment and machinery, insurance, and also the maintenance and repairs.
We are now having the value proposition. Under value proposition, we have the value map and the customer profile. For the value map, we provide and value the products and services, which ensures the durability, lightweight bricks made from natural coconut husk fibers. And then for gain creators, enhance reputation as a provider of sustainable landscaping. And for the pain relievers, consistent quality and availability. And for the customer profile, we have the gains. Our gains is to increase profitability by offering eco-friendly options. And for the customer jobs, completion of landscaping projects. And for our paints, finding reliable suppliers of high-quality landscaping materials. Microenvironment of the company. First, we have the suppliers with the following types of suppliers to ensure consistent and sustainability raw material supply. We have first the Lawa Corporation or the Lana Women's Association. Second, we have the supplier of vinegar or the additive component. Third, we have the cassava starch as binder component. For marketing intermediaries, in our coconut husk bricks business, partnering with retailers as marketing intermediaries plays a vital role in reaching a broader customer base. We have here the customers. Under customers, we have first the landscapers and garden designers. Second, we have the eco-friendly consumers. The third one is the agricultural sector. And for the fourth one, eco-conscious builders and constructors. For the fifth one, disaster relief organizations. For the last one, craft and DIY enthusiasts. For comparative position and the competitors, we have the key competitors. First, the pack mousse suppliers. The second one is wood milk suppliers. For the third one, we have the compost producers. For the last one, we have the synthetic soil amendments.
For the target market, the first one is the catchment area. The exhibits above highlight the area in Dalagete, Cebu as our location for operation, where we focus on serving potential eco-friendly customers with our high-quality coconut husk bricks. For the market segmentation, to effectively reach our target audience and promote the use of coconut husk bricks, we have segmented our market into three main categories: demographic, geographic, and psychographic. These segmentation strategies help us understand the specific needs, preferences, and behaviors of our potential customers and allow us to tailor our marketing and distribution efforts accordingly. For demographic segmentation, our demographic segmentation focuses on identifying customers groups based on measurable factors such as occupation, income level, and industry. Geographic segmentation. Geographically, we target both urban and rural areas where demand for alternative and sustainable construction materials is growing. The third one is the psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation helps us connect with customers based on their values, lifestyles, and environmental attitudes. For the buying decision behavior, the first one is complex buying behavior. This behavior occurs when buyers are highly involved in the purchase and see significant differences between products. The second one is price-sensitive buying behavior. These buyers are primarily influenced by cost. They look for affordable solutions that meet basic needs. The third one is habitual buying behavior. These buyers make repeat purchases with a little thought because the product has proven reliable and consistent. Retailers, hardware stores, and loyal contractors often exhibit this behavior. So for the last one is variety-seeking buying behavior. These buyers likely to try new products and are not necessarily brand loyal. Eco-conscious DIY homeowners, small-scale designers, and creative builders often fall into this group. Next one is the marketing mix. The first one is the product. Our product is an eco-friendly brick made from coconut husk fibers using cassava starch as a natural binder and vinegar as an additive to enhance durability and resistance. This combination creates a sustainable, biodegradable building materials that offers a practical alternative to conventional clay or cement bricks. The second one is the price. Our pricing strategy for coconut husk bricks reflects both the value of sustainable innovation and the affordability required to compete with conventional building materials. Total selling price of 33 pesos each brick. Although the use of cassava starch as a binder and vinegar as an additive adds slight production cost, we maintain competitive pricing to make eco-friendly construction accessible to a broader market. The third one is the placement. So, our coconut husk bricks production is based in Dalagete, Cebu, a strategic location that allows us to serve local communities and nearby municipalities. While raw materials like coconut husk and cassava are sourced from surrounding agricultural areas, the manufacturing and distribution processes are centralized in Dalagete. This setup enables us to maintain product quality and consistency while being close to our target market. The fourth one is the promotion. Our promotional strategy includes digital marketing through the social media platforms where we share informative content, product features, and real-world applications.
Cycle of coconut husk bricks, namely introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. So first, introduction stage. The product is launched as an eco-friendly alternative in construction. Focus is on raising awareness, educating consumers, and building market presence. Sales are low and costs are high. Next is the growth stage. Popularity and sales increase as awareness spreads. Production becomes more efficient, quality improves with feedback, and new markets and partnerships are developed. And then, market stage. The product gains widespread acceptance with stable sales. Competition intensifies, so effort shifts to consumer retention, product variation, and maintaining competitiveness. And lastly, decline stage. Demand falls due to changing trends or technologies. Self-drop, prompting strategies like reducing production, targeting niche markets, or innovating the product.
User interface. The website for eco-friendly coconut husk bricks with cassava starch binder offers a clean, mobile-friendly design with earthy tones. It highlights the product's sustainability benefits, features detailed product info, environmental impact tools, educational content, and integrated e-commerce for easy ordering. Customer Interface Transaction. The customer interface for eco-friendly coconut husk bricks offers a smooth, informative experience with product details, images, and videos. Features include interactive inquiries, book quote automation, real-time order tracking, secure payments, live chat support, and post-purchase feedback tools. Specific requirements. Producing eco-friendly coconut husk bricks involves specialized hardware for molding, drying, and quality testing, plus software for design, inventory, and CRM. It is made from sustainable coconut husk and cassava starch. The bricks use a patented compression and curing process for strength and biodegradability. Design of workstations. Setting up an Albricks stall targets eco-conscious buyers at markets, schools, and eco fairs. Using repurposed wood and our own materials, the stall features raw materials, finished goods, and a demo area. The educational signs, a touch and feel corner, digital payments, and eco-friendly packaging highlight our commitment to sustainability and innovation. So this is our organizational structure. We have the facilities and equipments, the maintenance, our schedule, and lastly, the person responsible.
So for the cost of materials, every materials are being calculated by the total amount in every 1,000 pieces of bricks. For the coconut husk, the amount is 750 pesos, 1,000 pesos for the cassava starch, 8,350 pesos for the vinegar, and 75 for the electricity. So in packaging, 50 pesos and 900 pesos for the labor cost. So for the total amount that should be paid in making 1,000 bricks is 20,757 pesos. Let's move on to the advertising expenses. There are two advertising channels, which are the Facebook that are being paid for 3,000 pesos and for the flyers with 2,000 pesos. So in our expenses for the advertising, so the total amount is 5,000 pesos. For the licenses and development cost, business license has an annual cost of 20,000 pesos. So it means that every 1,000 bricks has expenses of 20 pesos. Product certification has an annual expenses of 10,000 pesos. So it means that every 1,000 bricks has an expenses of 10 pesos. For the research and development prototyping, the annual budget is 12,000 pesos. So in every 1,000 bricks, the expenses is 12 pesos. So in the total expenses for the licenses and development, it is 42 pesos per 1,000 bricks. For the overall cost, the cost of materials, the expenses is up to 20,575 pesos. 5,000 pesos for the advertising expenses, while 42 pesos for the license and development. So the overall cost is 25,617 pesos. So in getting the product price, our company ensures 30% profit margin. So for the total cost per 1,000 bricks, which is 25,617 pesos, multiplied by 130% and divided by 1,000 bricks. So the price per product is 30.3 pesos. So in the market, it must be sold 33 pesos and 50 centavos or up for each brick.